Alright. So now it's time to take that little fucker off. I got the 4 bolts out. Easy as pie. Started separating. Again, this, always a bitch, as you guys know. Came right out, no problem. Another bad sign. But, let's see it together. I saved it for you. Okay. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh. Huh. Weird. God, I didn't see that coming. Oh, jeez. Oh. It's completely shot. Fuck. Oh, jeez. Oh. That can't be normal. That can't be normal. So as you can see, just a wheel hub. Got massive fucking man tires on this thing. You probably drive like a fucking complete asshole with it. That's how I drive. And, it's okay. That's why you buy a giant penis with 2 massive back tires that wear out hubs. Now, I'm going to be putting a cheapy hub in there because that's all I could fucking find right now, and I just want to drive. So, yes, I will be replacing this here. In about a year, I'd say. But I'm hoping for the best. Again, good luck.